Good morning, one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. If you saw my last Cast Iron Wednesday, I did a nice big pot of chili. So I thought what I would do is show you one of the ways I like to use up chili, leftover chili, besides, you know, heating up a nice big bowl of it. And I like to make a chili cheese omelet. So, get to it. While you're waiting for your bacon, I like to scramble 2 eggs. I've got these silicone tongs. One so they don't scratch your pan. And it just makes turning bacon a lot easier than using like the fork method where you just kind of grab it and like lift it, turn it over. So I don't have to worry about metal on the pan. Pour my egg in. I like to use black pepper. As this cooks, I've waited a little too long to turn on the camera, but I just like to lift and like pour the egg underneath. I'll flip it. And kill the heat because it's going to be done in a matter of seconds. I'll add some chili. My wash is done. I'll add some cheese. And she's done. And I'll just roll it onto a plate. Top a little additional cheese. And there's that chili right over the top. Oh, which I'm not on camera doing. Damn it. Sorry about that. That was a total YouTuber fail right there. There you go. Chili cheese omelet. And of course, can't forget my bacon. There we go. Chili cheese omelet with some nice bacon. Alright. Man, I love bacon. Mmm. Chili cheese omelet. Oh yeah. So good. Anyway, I guess this will be a quick little video. One of the ways I like to use leftover chili. I'll probably be eating omelets. I actually bought a whole dozen other eggs, so I'll be making omelets for a few days. Might show you a quick clip, something else I like to do. Probably do that, and maybe tomorrow night, but we'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out Cast Iron Wednesdays, and I'll put the playlist at the end card too, so you can go check that out if you'd like. It's not just me contributing, it's Shovel Hate and a bunch of other people, so have a good one. Enjoy your weekend coming up, and yeah, take it easy. So another thing I like to do is I made some chili cheese nachos while I'm watching a movie. Just some cheese melted, some chili warmed up, good stuff.